Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Miss Mauli Halwat Hikmah. As the supervisor of the Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta Proposal Seminar, my name is Titin Arista Wulandari. Here I will deliver a proposal seminar that I have completed with the title A Learning on the Student Ability of Islamic Junior High School Tumondokan. Then I just want to say that my proposal seminar start in the background. Technology has made so many improvements and has become a part of our life. It is worth mentioning that the most important thing for now is the internet is a safe word, especially now that the internet has become our vital weapon to make things easier. Since 2020, we are faced with a serious virus called coronavirus or COVID-19, which was entirely observed in Wuhan province, China. Is now spread rapidly throughout the world. Coronavirus is a family of viruses that cause disease ranging from mild to severe symptoms. The type of coronavirus is known to cause severe symptoms such as mild as respiratory syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 include symptoms of acute respiratory distress such as a fever, shortness of breath, and dry cough. These symptoms apart when the body reacts to the coronavirus. One of the government actions is to carry out social distancing for 14 days to minimize the spread of the virus. Social restrictions or distance are carried out to prevent transmission of COVID-19, so that it does not spread in the country of Indonesia. Very social distancing effect to inhibit the spread of COVID-19. The Minister of Education issued Circular number 3 year 2020 concerning the prevention of coronavirus disease in the education unit which state the school and colleges are closed. This case was carried out to break the chain of spread COVID-19. On the other hand, learning activities were carried out online for all levels of education. The development of information technology that can be used as a learning medium is to use e-learning. This e-learning application can facilitate training and learning activity as well as formal and informal teaching and learning process, as well as facilities, activities and communities of electronic media user such as internet, CD-ROMs, videos, DVDs, television, cell phones, PDAs and others. E-learning includes various applications and processes such as computer-based learning, web-based learning, virtual classes, virtual Schoology, virtual Zoom, and other applications. Online learning has several shortcomings. For example, the use of the internet network requires adequate infrastructure, requires a lot of money. Communication via the internet has various obstacles or is slow. However, online learning has been complained by various parties because it is considered ineffective. So far, the lack of mastery of information technology tools has resulted in the progress of the world in general and the world and special education. But what must be done is assigning tasks through mentoring by teachers through social media groups so that children can really learn. Some senior teachers are not yet fully able to use the tool or facilities to support online learning activities and require prior mentoring and training. For that, parental support and cooperation are needed for successful learning. The internal school assessment may be considered inadequate, but for student families, information on student assessment is very urgent. Something that missing student assessment information is also very meaningful for the sustainability of the student future. The impact also occurs on parents, namely regarding the obstacle faced by parents, whether there are additional costs for purchase internet quota also increasing. Online technology requires a network connection to the internet and quotas. Therefore, the tariff for using internet quota will increase and will increase and stating that the impact that arises with closing when online learning is related to technical problem or the independent learning process include high price internet quotas, less smooth signal access, insufficient knowledge in the operation of all online learning application with a current strong of students. The impact that can be felt by teachers is that not all are proficient in using the internet or social technology media as a means of learning. Some senior teachers are not yet fully able to use tools or facilities to support online learning activities. Online learning with a good tester is less effective for teachers, especially for elementary school age children. Therefore, learning is carried out online or distant learning is carried out at home. So the teacher is also less than optimal in providing learning material. As for the advantage of doing online learning, one of which is increasing the level of interaction between students and lecturers or teachers. Learning can be done anytime and anywhere. It reaches students in a wide range and makes it easier to improve and store learning material. This learning model utilizes technology, especially in helping lecturers and students, especially in management learning activities. With the help of this information technology can act as a means of providing efficient learning resource and learning assessment tools between students and teachers. The advantages of using learning are self-learning and high interactivity, which can increase memory level and provide a more learning experience. And text, audio, video, and animation are used to transfer information. And they are also easy to transfer, update content, and download. Students can also email other students, post comments on forum, use chat room, and communicate in real time via video conference link. And then is a problem statement. Based on the background above, the researcher had some questions to fulfill the paper in this detail. A learning on the student ability of Islamic Junior High School to Mondokan. The first, how the effect of a learning on high ability student. The second, how is the effect of a learning on moderate ability student. And the last is, how is the effect of a learning on low ability student. Objective of the study. First, knowing the effect of a learning on high ability student. Then, knowing the effect of a learning on moderate ability student. The last, knowing the effect of learning on low ability student. Benefit of the study. The first theoretical benefit is the theoretical benefit of this research is to determine of the effect of learning on the ability of students at Islamic Junior High School Tumondokan. Benefit of the study of practical benefit. The first, for students, with this paper, research hope that students will be more active in teaching and learning activities so that they can increase their knowledge. Then, for teachers, this can be an alternative way that teacher can make students more interested in teaching and learning activities. Then, for school, the result of the study can be used by the school to attract prospective students that the school is innovating in a fun way. The last benefit of the study, practical benefit, is for research. Knowing about how learning affects student ability in teaching and learning activities. Now is a research method. Type of research. This research use qualitative research method. This is a qualitative research. Definis P. Melong and David Williams. Can read this. And then research subject. Research subject is a 3 subject from grade 7A at Islamic Junior High School Tumondokan based on the student ability which were taken from the report card, score, or daily test, taking high, medium, and low ability subject. In addition, there were also teachers with a total 2 teachers who were involved in the study. And the next is the object of research. The research object of this study was to determine the effect of learning on the ability student high, medium, and low in Islamic Junior High School Tumondokan. Data collection techniques is interview with student and teacher in class, then observation in class activity, and then to us with the interview, the research use audio record to record the interview and then made notes. That is the presentation that I can deliver. I hope that in the future this research will be useful for others. If I say something wrong, apologies profusely. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.